Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Friday, August 18th. So, first off, it's options expiration. So, don't forget that. We have monthly expirations happening today. So, that could mean Friday can be kind of wonky. That being said, look at our news. We have no news going on here on Friday. So, let's bring you up to speed what's going on. We've got Trump having 4 indictments. It's weighing on everybody. China is not doing well. Russia not doing well. Lots of negative weight on the world economy. And the U.S. is sort of saying, what's going on? And so, yeah, we had a couple of sell-off days. And let's take a look at this chart. This is our daily chart, and I've decided to draw what I believe could be a potential head and shoulders pattern. Now, put this in last night before we had this day. Now we've got 1, 2, 3 days down. So you know the market loves 3s, 5s, 7s, and 12s. So this could easily turn into a rally day, and that would do the 3-day pattern. So that's a possibility. What else do we have? Well, we broke the baseline of the shoulder over here. Shoulder, head and shoulders pattern potentially. But we broke this base over here, so that's pretty negative. And we'd have to bounce up and sideways and whatnot to develop a shoulder on the right side, but it could do that. That's a potential pattern. So what else is going on? Well, we also have the Wednesday, Thursday, potentially Friday. So anytime the market, let me start over again. If you go back in time and you look at the major crashes, like the October crashes in 87, some of the other crashes, you'll find that it's a pattern that happens like this. Thursday closes on a low. It closes on a low. Friday closes on a low. Monday is a crash. So there's this pattern. And occasionally you get a Wednesday close on low, Thursday close on low, Friday close on low, Monday big time crash. Okay, so we're always watching for that Thursday, Friday situation leading into Monday. What do we have here? We have a Wednesday, Thursday, potentially Friday. Actually, we have a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all closing at or near the lows of the day. Ugly. If we have a low close on the low today, it's kind of a lookout below on Monday, okay? So that's a really scary pattern that we could have. Hopefully we'll get a bounce day, and that will mess up the giant crash scenario. Let's taking a look at the inventory. So inventory yesterday was negative by a long shot, and the price action was negative as well. Now, one thing that is noticeable here is that we basically had flat inventory overnight, even though price went up. And then once we opened, the momentum never turned around. Even when we had that little up there, not much. So market is acting as it should, correlated. Looking at the intraday, looking for support and resistance, we have a wide overnight range of about 35 points. That's normal, bigger than normal. We've got support or resistance at 43.78. Obviously at the overnight high, 43.90, and right around the whole number of 4,400. If we break 4,400, there's one other spot up here, 44.16 as potential resistance. Support, on the other hand, we do have some support. 43.42. A band of support down here around 43.08, and I would put +2, so 43.10 all the way down to 43.06 as a band, a support band, and then a level at 42.87. Hopefully we will not have to support those levels if need be. Stock Trader's Almanac is 47.8, so a negative bias, not by much, by about 3.2 or 2.2 2.2% negative bias historically from the Stock Traders Almanac. Hope you guys have a great day. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. See you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.